Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at a couple of items from Elgato, including the Keylight Neo LED panel, the Master Mount L, and the Wave Mic Arm LP. Let's start off with the Keylight Neo. Alright, so I have it here, and it's a LED panel, which is very simple to use, and what you do is quite simply attach the USB cable into the Keylight Neo, just like this. And there's a couple of options. You just power this up once it's done, and you have the cool LED, the cool light LED, and also the warm LED. And you can control the panel using this dial here, the brightness. And this is perfect for streamers and of course any content creators who wants that lighting on the actual product or your face. And it comes with this clamp, which is quite easy to use. You just kind of swivel that, put that onto your monitor, and you can have the swivel on the angle, which is quite nice. You can actually control this via the Neo deck if you actually get the Neo setup, or just control it via the dial. And it's quite simple to use, very easy, very portable. You can actually mount this onto your laptop monitor as well. Next we have the Wave Mic Arm LP, which I have right here. And it's also very easy to use and set up. So I have it right here, check it out. And you can see it has a fully articulated arm, which is very easy to kind of use. And has a quarter thread screw for your ball joint, which you can attach any microphone. And what I like about this, you have a totally unobstructed view of all your keyboards and control decks. And of course you have your screen, which is unblocked. And what I like about this, as I said, is you can move it around and actually put that away so that it doesn't affect your view on your screen. Perfect for streamers and content creators as well. Alright, next up then, we have the Master Mount L, which is this unit here. And this thing is just basically a stand which you can clamp on and allows you then to mount anything like cameras and phones and things like that. So I paired it up with the Flex Arm L, which gives you that little extension, and you can see I have it right here. And I've actually put a phone clamp here, and what that allows me to do is that I can actually clamp the phone there, and then I can do my unboxing right here. This is a really good flexible arm. You have all these joints which you can allow to move your device anywhere you want, which is really good. I really like this kind of setup here. Again, it allows me then to mount any camera devices or phone devices, gives me that unobstructed view, and also I can do all my unboxings. Alright, so that's it. And with the Master Mount L, it really helps me with the unboxing videos without having to trip over the tripod legs like before. And of course with the Wave Mic Arm LP, I have unobstructed view of the monitor and all my desk space here, which I can control, and that really helps me during my live shows and streaming as well. And the Keylight Neo really helps with some really nice lighting that of course helps with the unboxing and of course during streaming as well. And there you have it. That was a quick look at a couple items from Elgato, which will help all you content creators out there, including the Master Mount L, the Wave Mic Arm LP, and of course the Keylight Neo. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy these items via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.